cycling, hockey, ice skating, American football, table tennis, cloud, rain, rainbow, lightning, snow, bowl, cup, mug, teapot, glasses, book, clips, pens, pencils, rulers. The cat is playing computer. Jenny is dancing. The babies are fighting. Grandpa is laughing. My sister is drinking milk.